Hello and welcome to Anna and Jake Real Life English. I'm Anna.
And I'm Jake. We're happy you are here today.
Jake, we are back again.
Yes, we are. Another slow English episode.
Today we speak slowly. We use simple, real English, and we help you feel confident.
Confident and calm. No stress.
No stress, that's perfect.
Today's topic is very common. People ask about this all the time.
Today we talk about your job. Talking about your job.
Talking about your job is real life English. You need it in many places.
You meet someone new, maybe at a party, maybe at a cafe, maybe at work.
Or when you travel. In a hotel, in a taxi, on a tour.
The most common question is, what do you do?
What do you do? This means, what is your job?
Yes, it does not mean, what are you doing right now? It means your work.
Good point. What do you do means your job.
Great. Today we will practice simple questions, simple answers, and short, useful sentences.
And we will give you examples, real examples you can use today.
Great. Let's start.
First question, what do you do?
A simple answer is, I'm a teacher.
Another simple answer, I'm a nurse.
Another, I'm an engineer.
Another, I'm a driver.
Another, I'm a designer.
Let's say it slowly. What do you do?
What do you do?
I'm a teacher.
I'm a teacher.
Good. Now we add one more sentence.
Yes, we can say where we work. For example, I'm a teacher. I work at a school.
Two short sentences, easy and clear.
Let's do a small conversation. I ask you, Jake.
Okay, I'm ready.
Hi, nice to meet you. What do you do?
Nice to meet you too. I'm a teacher. I teach English.
Oh, nice. Where do you work?
I work at a language school. I work with adults.
Great. That sounds interesting.
Thank you. What about you, Anna? What do you do?
I'm a designer. I design websites.
Oh, wow, that's cool.
Thank you.
Now, listeners, you can use this pattern.
Pattern. I work. I work at. I work in.
Let's give more job examples. Very common job.
Okay. Example 1. I'm a doctor.
And you can add, I work at a hospital.
Example 2. I'm a waiter. I work in a restaurant.
Example 3, I'm a cashier. I work in a supermarket.
Example 4. I'm a student. I study at a university.
Example 5, I'm a manager. I work in an office.
Great. Now we talk about a common follow-up question.
Follow-up question means the next question.
After what do you do, people often ask, where do you work?
Where do you work? Simple question.
Example answer, I work at a bank. I work at a school. I work at a hospital.
Or I work from home. Many people work from home now.
Yes, I work from home. Very useful sentence.
Another question people ask is, do you like your job?
That's a good question. Do you like your job?
Let's give simple answers.
Simple answer, yes I do. I like my job.
Simple answer 2, it's okay. It's fine.
Simple answer 3, not really. It's stressful.
Or it's difficult. It's hard.
Let's practice with feelings, useful words about your job.
Words like interesting, boring, busy, stressful.
Let's say them slowly. Interesting,
Interesting,
boring,
boring,
busy,
busy,
stressful.
stressful.
Now we use them in sentences. My job is interesting.
My job is boring.
I'm very busy at work.
My job is stressful sometimes.
Good. Now another very useful question. What do you do for work?
What do you do for work? Same meaning. It means what is your job?
Yes. Different words, same meaning.
Let's do another short conversation. This time I ask you, Anna.
Okay, go ahead.
Hi, Anna. What do you do for work?
I'm a designer. I design websites. I work from home.
Nice. Do you like your job?
Yes, I do. It's interesting, and I like being creative.
That's great. Are you busy?
Yes, I'm very busy.
That sounds familiar.
Now, let's talk about one more thing. Sometimes people do not have a job.
Yes, or they are between jobs.
Between jobs means you do not have a job right now, but you are looking.
A simple sentence is, I'm looking for a job.
Another sentence is, I'm unemployed right now.
Or a softer sentence, I'm between jobs.
Good. That sounds polite and calm.
Another situation, people change their job.
Yes, you can say, I just started a new job.
Or I changed jobs.
Or, I'm starting a new job next month.
Very useful. Now let's add some common job places.
Places like in an office, in a hospital, in a shop, in a restaurant.
Or at a school, at a hotel, at a factory.
Let's practice. I work in an office.
I work in a hospital.
I work in a shop.
I work in a restaurant.
I work at a school.
I work at a hotel.
Good. Now we do a small listening practice.
Yes, we will say a job and we will say a short sentence. You can repeat after us.
Ready? Job 1. Nurse. I'm a nurse. I work at a hospital.
Job 2, taxi driver. I'm a taxi driver. I work in the city.
Job 3. Chef. I'm a chef. I work in a restaurant.
Job 4, salesperson. I'm a salesperson. I work in a shop.
Job 5. Student. I'm a student. I study at university.
Great. Now, one more common question. What company do you work for?
That question means, where do you work? But it asks about the company.
If you want to keep it simple, you can answer like this. I work for a small company, or I work for an international company.
Or, I work for the government. Or, I work for myself.
I work for myself means you are self-employed.
Yes, self-employed. You can also say, I'm self-employed.
Let's repeat slowly. I'm self-employed.
I'm self-employed.
Very good. Now let's do a longer example conversation.
Okay, imagine we meet at a party.
A friendly party with snacks.
Yes, with snacks.
Hi, I'm Jake. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Jake. I'm Anna. Nice to meet you too.
So, Anna, what do you do?
I'm a designer. I design websites. I work from home.
Oh, nice. Do you like your job?
Yes, I do. It's interesting, and I like being creative.
That's great. Are you busy?
Yes, I'm very busy.
That sounds familiar.
Now, you can ask me, what do you do?
Okay, Jake, what do you do?
I'm a teacher. I teach English. I work at a language school.
Nice. Do you like your job?
Yes, I do. It's sometimes busy, but it's rewarding. Rewarding is a great word. Rewarding means it feels good. It feels meaningful.
Yes, teaching feels meaningful.
Great. Now, listeners, let's do a quick review.
Review means we repeat the key phrases.
Phrase 1. What do you do?
Phrase 2, what do you do for work?
Phrase 3. Where do you work?
Phrase 4, do you like your job?
Phrase 5. I work from home.
Phrase 6, I'm self-employed.
Now we will say them slowly. You can repeat after us.
What do you do?
What do you do?
Where do you work?
Where do you work?
Do you like your job?
Do you like your job?
I work from home.
I work from home.
I'm self-employed.
I'm self-employed.
Great job. You did really well.
Before we finish, let's talk a little more about daily work life. Many people want to talk about their job, but they don't know what to say.
Yes, sometimes you know the words, but you feel nervous,
That's normal. Talking about your job can feel stressful.
especially in another language.
Exactly. So let's keep it simple.
Simple English is good English.
Let's talk about a typical work day. A very common question is, what is a typical day like at your job?
That's a good question. What is a typical day like?
You can answer with very simple sentences. For example, I start work at 9.
I finish work at 5.
I work on a computer.
I talk to customers.
Let's build a full answer, slowly.
Okay?
I start work at 9. I check my emails. I have meetings. I finish work at 5.
Very clear, very simple.
You don't need long sentences. Short sentences are perfect.
Now let's talk about work days and weekends.
People often ask, do you work on weekends?
You can answer, no, I don't. I work Monday to Friday.
Or, yes, I do. I work on Saturdays.
Or sometimes, not every weekend.
Good. Now let's talk about working hours.
Another common question, do you work full-time or part-time?
Full-time means you work many hours.
Part-time means you work fewer hours.
Example answers, I work full-time.
I work part-time.
Or, I work part-time right now.
Very useful sentences.
Now let's talk about job satisfaction. People often ask, are you happy at work?
A simple answer is, yes, I am.
Or, most of the time.
Or sometimes.
And if you are not happy, you can say, not really.
Or, I'm looking for something new.
That's a very natural answer.
Yes, very polite, very normal.
Now let's practice a calm, friendly conversation. Imagine you meet someone new.
At a cafe or at a party.
I start, hi, what do you do?
I work in an office. I help customers.
Do you like your job?
Yes, it's busy, but I like it.
Are you working today?
No, today is my day off.
That sounds nice.
Yes, I need some rest.
That's important.
Very important.
Now, listeners, remember this. You don't need perfect English.
You just need clear English.
Slow English. Simple English.
Real life English.
Talking about your job is a great skill.
You can use it everywhere.
At work, when you travel, when you meet new people.
Practice a little every day.
Speak slowly. Feel calm.
And feel confident.
Thank you for listening.
This was Slow English. Talking about your job.
See you next time.
Bye.